Hey guys, just wanted to make another tutorial. The 2006 Scion XB's liftgate is starting to become weak. I got these off eBay for about 45 bucks a pair. And from all my reading, it's supposed to be a really quick and easy fix.
Since I don't have an extra pair of hands, I'm just using a stick to help prop up the door. According to all the online sources that I've read with other cars and hatches, all you'll have to do is remove these two bolts, and over here should pop out, and then you reinstall it the same way that it was installed. Now the only tool you'll need is a 10mm ratchet. However, over here you don't have enough clearance, so you'll just need another 10mm wrench over here. Another part that I did not realize is this ball joint part will also have to come out by unscrewing this, so I'm gonna try that. Okay, so I got the other side off using a 12mm. Alright, so both sides are installed. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy job. Let's see how much stronger it is